What's up, man? What's good? What's good? Well, Emperor, I'm not fucking around today, man. Stop
What the
car.
fuck? You random.
Where's the end of the track?
Let's give it a second for everyone to join in. I just want to let you guys know something before we move to footbales.
What's up, man? Floor
Yeah,
the
what's
car,
up?
man.
Listen to it.
Send it.
Tell me what happens.
1 second. I just want to make sure everyone's here. Hello, I think we got people here, and if not, we can pass the word out. Okay. When we get to footbales, hello. When we get to footbales, we're gonna, when you bring everybody together to talk about them and how we deal with them, make sure when you're doing it that they only use the F1 menu
Piss
to
me off,
come.
man.
You're fucking. Wait, say again. What did you say, Trey?
understood.
F1 menu to cut basically when we do the footbells.
Okay.
What?
Yeah, they can
Why?
only use the
Yeah,
F1 menu.
because the up key isn't like the normal way of doing it anymore.
Hotkeys anymore for
Well, I'm
cutting.
coming down, Emperor.
That's is that a permanent change?
Wait there,
Yeah.
bro.
Quiet.
Yep.
Been confirmed. Oh my god, that's
Yes.
stupid.
F1 menu, so don't let them use the up arrow. It's not on the live server, they can't anyway. Just here they can. So if they're gonna go for cuffs, they can just use the F1 menu.
Okay. Take motion. Fucking
What
Alright,
the
go back
fuck
to
are
your
you
group,
doing, Mario?
guys.
Appreciate
There you go, there you go.
Gotcha.
Came back on radio, sorry. Bro, you're fucking alpha pitting, man. What the fuck is this?
There you go, man.
Alright, let's go. Alright, we're good. Alright, let's begin chases.
We're just told that the up
Yeah.
arrow is not going to work for cuffing people anymore. You got to go through the F1 menu.
Yeah, I was here. I was on the radio listening.
Oh, okay. Good.
Apparently, it's already live in the live server.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah. Did you see what that person put in there last night in the LSPD chat?
No.
If the bind's not working, just go to the console and bind one for yourself.
No.
I'm like, I would just use the F1 menu. Someone got in there and said, "Are you looking to leave or what?"
Alright, we're gonna drive us back, Mario. Alright, we're gonna do actual pursuits. I think we should do pursuits around the Billabong. So you guys actually can practice road names that you're gonna be going through, and also multiple turns
Stay
and
with me,
stuff.
man. Stay with me. Come with me.
Yep.
Can I get a car repair on my car, please? It's skiing.
Oh yeah, me too.
Just head to Bob Smith PD. I think Anderson's
Oh, sounds good. Yeah, we're gonna drive there then, yeah.
thinking.
Are we good to go?
Yep.
Okay.
Hey, what's up, bro?